people, welcome to Virtuous and Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is the best pasta recipe. You really have to try it out. I watched a video in Sisi Yemmie channel last month, the best beef pasta recipe. After watching that video, I fell in love with the method. I have my own pasta recipe, but I really fell in love with the method she used to cook that pasta, and I decided to try it out. If you want to know how I try out the yummy and delicious beef pasta recipe, please sit back, let me walk you through my recipes. Recipes we have for the best beef pasta recipes are our pasta. As you can see it on the table, this pasta have different shapes and colors. You can use any shape or color you want, but for me, remember, I am being inspired by Sisi Yemmie to make this recipe, so I'll be using exactly the same shape and color she used. This is our tomato paste and our boiled meat. I got my red onion. You can use any onion of your choice, and close to it is my Scotch bonnet pepper. Next is sweet green, yellow and red bell peppers. These peppers contain a lot of minerals and vitamins, so it is very important in this recipe. I got here my fresh ginger and garlic paste. You can use the powder one if you so wish. And the next is my beef stock. And lastly, I got my dry thyme, curry powder and salt. Next to it is my vegetable oil. This oil is too big, right? Please don't be afraid, because I'm not going to use all. For the measurement of all the recipes, please hit the description box. Now I have some water in the pot already. I will cover it and allow it to boil. Now the water is boiling. The next thing I will do is to add some salt to it, after which I will add my pasta. After adding my pasta, I will stir it. After stirring it together to make sure it is well mixed with the salt, I will now cover it and allow it to cook for 8 minutes. If you don't want it to be too soft, you can allow it for 7 minutes, but if you want it to be more soft, you can allow it for 9 to 10 minutes. But I want it not too soft, not too hard. That is why I'm allowing it for 8 minutes. As the pasta is on the heat cooking, I want to start cutting the sweet bell peppers and all the cuttables. Please be reminded that before this time, I've washed the sweet bell peppers already, remove the seed inside before this stage, and I'm going to cut the sweet bell pepper in cube shape for it to be very beautiful, because you eat with your eyes first before eating with your mouth. Okay, this is how I will keep cutting it one after the other until I am done. And when I'm done, Virtuous family, you know the way we rock it. I will get back to you. Next, I will cut the boiled beef into cubes because I want to fry it. It is this beef that will take the taste of the pasta to another level. Remember to use onion sauce, seasoning cube, thyme and curry powder as usual to simmer your meat so that it will have a nice taste after frying. Next, I will add my boiled beef inside my preheated vegetable oil, and I will fry it until it is golden brown. And it is this same oil that I will be using for the pasta for an extra yummy taste. As the beef is frying, I will remove the pasta from the heat and drain out the hot water and stop it from cooking further with a cold water, after which I will set it aside. Okay? Now I will remove the beef from the oil. As you can see, it is golden brown. I pray that God will help me not to finish this meat because it's so tasty. I will be using my wok for this recipe because it cooks up everything very fast and instant. And I will add some of the oil I used to fry the beef, because the oil I used to fry the beef will add more taste to the pasta. After which I will add my diced onion and I will saute for some seconds to make sure the juice from the onion is out. After which I will add my Scotch bonnet pepper and I will also saute for some seconds. After that, I will add the sweet bell pepper mixture and saute for 3 minutes. I will add my ginger and garlic paste and I will saute for 3 minutes. You can use ginger and garlic powder or better still any spices of your choice, okay? I'll toss in my dry thyme, curry powder and salt to taste and I will stir completely. Next, I will add my tomato paste and I will mix it completely with other recipes. Man, this pasta is going to be tasty, delicious and yummy. Keep watching. After that, I will add the meat and I will stir for all the recipes to marry each other, talk to each other for the meat to be tasty and yummy. Next, I will add my stock and I will stir completely for good 4 minutes. To get the measurement of the recipes, as I earlier said, please hit the description box. Next, I will add my pasta, which is the main recipe for today's video. Remember, I told you that I will come to tell you some health benefits of sweet bell pepper when the time comes. Don't neglect the power of sweet bell peppers because they are packed with nutrients. Sweet bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin C and potassium. It also contains a healthy dose of fiber and iron. They are full of nutrients. But do you know that among all the sweet bell peppers that the rare bell peppers are packed with more nutrients? Oh yes, they are packed with more nutrients because they've been on the vine for a longer time. After researching on the health benefit of sweet bell peppers, my eye opened the more. Please Google this to be sure of what I am saying. Guys, look at this beef pasta. Wow, this is lovely. This is so nice. On this junction, guys, our best beef pasta recipe is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Wow, this is how lovely the beef pasta looks like after dishing it. Guys, do you know that I almost finished this pasta in the pot, forgetting that I have not taken my thumbnail? That is to show you how yummy the beef pasta tasted. Please try this recipe and you will love it. Wow, Virtuous family, this beef pasta tasted so yummy. In fact, there is no other better way of making your pasta apart from this way. Hope you enjoy watching this video just as I enjoy sharing it with you. Please, if you enjoy watching this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your comment. Try this beef pasta recipe and give us your feedback in all our social media handles. I'll be dropping Yemmie Sisi video link in my description box. Please check her channel out. You will enjoy what you see. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.